Wow, Wally here. Chasing light, guys, chasing light. I'm running out of light and I'm trying to create light, of course. So this one is next, okay? This is I'm going to use the 365, I'm going to use the Frankensaw on this one, guys. This tree has developed a little bit of a lean, okay? And I want to sort of get it now before this lean turns into something else. Stay tuned. Okay, here's the plan. Straight down that way. I've taken out all the trees in its way. It's going straight down this way. Make sense? You can see the lean, guys. Look, if I stand. Anyway, look, let's get the face cut in. Find my helmet. Dogs are away. Need to remember to move the camera. That went exactly where I wanted it to go. Once again, I undercut my low side. Check this out. It went anyway, right? But look, I undercut this side. So I'm cutting from this side. This is my low side. That should have come straight across like that. But look, it went where I wanted it to go. So that's where I wanted, that's where I needed it to go. So, and it went okay, it went fast enough, there was no messing about. So I'll sned it up, guys. This is just going to be firewood. It's too big, it's too thick for me to be building stuff with, just too thick. So Cooter! Bruno! Hang on, my dogs have broken out. One last bit. Oh, you better go. Oh. Stop. Stay. Of course there's a branch. Of course there's a branch. There's always a branch in the way. Right, okay, so oh, she's happy enough. Stay. Stay. Good luck. Before this goes any further, I'm not a professional. Hey Bruno. Guys, that'll do her. Thanks for watching. Stay frosty. Bruno, you crazy bazy. He's a bit chasing birds.